Hi everyone, this is Simply Hangouts, and today we are reviewing a refreshingly different book called Masala Lab by Krish Ashok. This book talks about the science behind Indian cooking. It refers to a lot of age old kitchen rituals that we've seen our grandparents and parents follow, and offers an explanation why Nani's and Dadi's tricks always worked. It tells us how, without them realizing, their recipes were nothing but carefully balanced equations, full of taste and technique, and of course, love and patience. So, these are my 9 insightful takeaways from this book. First takeaway: Indian cooking is scientific. Recipes passed down generations are always backed by chemistry and physics. Second, it explains extracting and combining flavors, and that spice timing matters. Whole spices like cumin, bay leaf, cinnamon go in early to infuse oil with aroma. Ground spices like turmeric, chili go in after moisture is added to avoid burning. This technique ensures maximum flavor extraction. Number 3. Fat is a flavor carrier. Indian cooking often uses ghee, coconut oil, or mustard oil. Fats carry fat-soluble flavors from spices and help bloom aromas during tadka. So it's extremely helpful to add your spices in a little bit oil or ghee without burning them. 4. Acids add depth and brightness to your dishes. Lime juice, yogurt, tomato sauce, or tamarind brighten dishes. They cut through richness and balance salt and spice. Layering different acids add complexity and depth of flavor, not just tang. An example for this is adding hung curd and lime both in a chicken marinade to get an interesting flavor. And of course, lots of tomatoes in the curry. 5. Maillard reaction. Maillard reaction, or sautéing your onions till they are light brown, enhance flavor, though making it dark brown or too much browning can be questionable. 6. Marination does not cause penetration. Marinades, even yogurt or acid-based, mostly coat the surface. If you want deeper flavor and tenderness, use brine or salt water. Interestingly, adding meat to saline water before marination enhances its flavor absorption and prevents it from drying out and becoming chewy due to overcooking. 7. Magic of umami. Umami, the 5th taste after sweet, sour, salty, and bitter, is present in Indian food too, in ingredients like tomatoes, onions, mushrooms, fermented products, and slow cooked masalas, which are a powerhouse of umami. It adds depth to the flavor profile of a dish. Let me know if you liked this review and see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.